Like, share, and subscribe.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Mr. English Plus. I'm June, and today I am absolutely starving.
Me too, June. My stomach is growling so loud, I think the microphone is picking it up.
Perfect timing then, because today we are talking about everyone's favorite subject, food and dining out.
Oh yes, this is a big one. If you travel to an English-speaking country, you need to know how to talk to a waiter, read a menu, and, most importantly, complain if your fries are cold.
Hopefully that doesn't happen. But before we eat, everyone, please subscribe to Mr. English Plus. It's like leaving a tip for your teachers.
That's right. Like the video, hit the bell, and let's get cooking. June, when you go to a restaurant, what is the first thing you say?
Good question. Let's do a little role play. I'll be the hostess and you be the customer. Ready?
I was born ready.
Welcome to the Tasty Spoon. Do you have a reservation?
Hi. No, I don't. Do you have a table for two?
Yes, we do. Would you like to sit inside or on the patio?
It's a beautiful day, so let's sit outside, please.
Okay, stop. Kai, you used a great phrase there. Table for two.
Exactly. You just change the number. Table for 4, table for 6, or if you're like me on a Friday night, table for 1, because I'm hanging out with my dog.
And don't forget the word reservation. In many popular places, you have to call ahead. You say, I'd like to book a table for 7 p.m.
Okay, so we are sitting down. The waiter brings the menu. June, what are you looking for?
Well, I usually look for the appetizers first. Those are the small starters before the main meal, like spring rolls or soup.
I go straight for the main course, the big stuff, the steak, the pasta, the burgers.
And how do you describe the food? This is where students get stuck.
Right. Don't just say it's good. Use better words. If there's a lot of sugar, it's sweet. If it has lemons, it's sour.
What if it has a lot of salt, Kai?
Then it's salty. And if it's been in the oven for a long time and it's hard to chew, we call it tough. If it's easy to eat and delicious, it's tender.
I like my steak medium well. How about you?
I like mine rare. Wait, no, well done. Actually, I just like burgers. They're much easier to order.
Okay, let's practice the actual ordering part. Listeners, pay attention to the verbs here. Kai, pretend I'm your waitress. Are you ready to order, or do you need a few more minutes?
I'm ready. I'll have the cheeseburger, please.
Great. And would you like anything to drink?
Can I get a large sparkling water with lemon?
Did you hear that? Kai used I'll have and can I get. These are the most natural ways to order.
Yeah, don't say I want. It's a bit too strong. I'll have is much more polite.
And when you're finished, you don't just stand up and leave. You have to pay. Kai, how do you ask for the money part?
In the US, we say, "Can I have the check, please?"
And in Canada or the UK, we often say, could we have the bill, please?
Check or bill, they both mean the same thing. Time to open your wallet.
True. So let's recap. We have the appetizer, the main course, and we can't forget dessert.
Never forget dessert. That's the most important rule of life.
So listeners, here is your homework for today.
Go to the comments and tell us what is your favorite restaurant and what do you usually order. Use the phrase, I'll have, followed by your favorite dish. We want to see some delicious English sentences.
I'm going to go read those comments, and then I'm going to go buy a burger. I'm starving.
Me too. Thanks for joining us on Mr. English Plus.
Stay hungry for learning, everyone. See ya!
Goodbye.